And in this video, you're going to learn how to calculate the square root of 196. And to calculate the square root of 196, there are two methods you can use. The first one is this. Think of a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives you 196 as the result. That number will be the value of the square root of 196. Now, if you have trouble figuring out which number, when multiplied by itself, results in 196, we'll need to write 196 in its factored form. Let's put this number in its factored form. 196 can be rewritten as the product of 2 times 98. We're going to circle the number 2 here, which is a prime number. 98 can also be written as a product, as 2 times 49. 2 times 49 equals 98. Let's circle the number 2, which is a prime number. And finally, 49 is the same as 7 times 7, and the number 7 is a prime number. And in this case, we're going to circle both 7s. Now, these values we circled, which are the prime numbers, make up the factored form of 196. We're going to write it as a product. We have 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. And this number represents the amount of 196. This product equals 196. And 196 is inside the root. Now it's easy to extract the square root of this product here. See, for every 2 identical factors, for every 2 repeating numbers, one of them comes out of the root. For every 2 identical factors, one of them comes out of the root. These numbers that came out of the root, we're going to multiply them, write them as a product. 2 times 7 equals 14. So, the square root of 196 is 14. That's because when we multiply 14 by 14, it results in 196. This value here, multiplied by itself, is the square root of 196. So, in a simple and quick way, we calculated the square root of 196. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'm leaving here at the end for you to watch. Big hug to you all, and God bless.